Hi guys, my name is Daisy. Welcome to our Rodot channel. Our channel is mainly engaged in DIY and Arduino handmade. So guys, today I will show you how I DIY my Arduino development board. First, we can find the source files and the related parameter information of Arduino on the official website. We can download this information directly on the website and then use it for proofing. But unfortunately, we don't support the port.bld format here, so I converted to the port PCB format and then use it for board printing. In the process of converting to PCB format, there will be some bugs, so we need to deal with the bugs. We should remove the excess copper, hide the value of the component, and retouch the copper to the ground. Then save the PCB file. Last, we need to take the PCB to board. In China, the cost of 10 boards is about $2.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh, you're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh.
what we had done. Then we boot the bootloader and run a simple program. After we power on it, we can see it's successfully achieved the effect we want. Our DIY development board was finally completed. Okay, guys, this is how we make the Arduino development board. In the next video, I will show you how we burn the bootloader. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.